What's going on, guys? MixedSid back again for another summer themed cocktail, and it is one hell of a cocktail, this one. It is powerful, it's the one and only. It is the ADIOS, and I will show you guys how to make it. Because as we do call this the ADIOS MF as well, because it will be getting demonetized if I don't blank it out. So the one thing to know about ADIOS MF is it's very similar to Long Island iced tea, and it is a very boozy cocktail. Because I've never tried it before and I can't wait to try this one. It's very boozy because I just take out the Coke and the triple sec, and there it is. Because you got the ADIOS MF. That's the difference between a Long Island iced tea, which brings us on nicely onto my next cocktail after this will be the Long Island iced tea. So I will compare the two differences in the two videos. So for this one is the ADIOS MF. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing to do, guys, is put the ice into your shaker. So the one thing I like about the ADIOS MF is it's all balanced, because it's all 22.5ml or 3/4 ounce of each ingredient into it, apart from the Sprite or 7-Up or whatever soda you are using. So the first thing into the shaker, guys, I'm going to use is 22.5ml or 3/4 ounce of white tequila or Blanco Tequila. Next into the shaker, guys, is 22.5ml, 3/4 ounce of vodka. Next, 22.5ml of 3/4 ounce of gin. Because I do like the botanis. And next, 22.5ml or 3/4 ounce of blue Curacao. I'm using Decipher. Next, 22.5ml or 3/4 ounce of sour mix. I've got to say, so to make a sour mix, guys, is just simple syrup, make it simple syrup, so water and sugar, mix it in together, and then add a little bit of citrus juice to it, because I'd probably preferably go for limes, because then just mix it in, give it a good shake, and it's as simple as that. It's really easy to make, because then if you make it yourself, it's less sugar as well, so it's win-win. And last but not least into a shaker, guys, is 22.5ml or 3/4 ounce of white rum. As you can see, I'm using Bacardi. So now put your glass on, give it a bang, make it nice and secure, and now give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. So next, get your highball glass and fill it with ice. Right, I'll just show you the colour before I strain into it. Now look at that baby blue colour, that is absolutely beautiful. So give it a bang, separate it. Put your strainer on. And strain to your highball glass. Like I said, just look at that blue colour. It's got that electric blue colour. It's very deceiving, this. Beautiful. So the last thing you want to do now, guys, is top it up with your soda. I'm using 7-Up. You can use Sprite. So the final thing to do now for the ADIOS MF is to garnish it with a lemon slice. And as simple as that. One ADIOS. So how does it taste? Wow. Wow. It certainly looks beautiful, but that is very deceiving. That packs a punch. It's very boozy, like I'm saying. It's got your rum in it, your gin, vodka, blue Curacao, tequila. It's got all of them in it. And I'd say that certainly packs a punch. It's certainly a heavier punch than the Long Island iced tea there. It's very boozy, it's very blue. And it looks very beautiful. I was going to say, I recommend this for a summer drink, but that is boozy as ours. Because I won't swear anymore, but that is boozy as. Because that, my friends, is how you make an ADIOS. Because it's boozy. I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10. It's just very strong. It's very deceiving, that. Because but I do recommend it. It's very nice. And let me know if you ever had this. Because it's very similar to Long Island iced tea. And I cannot wait to compare the two. So that will be my next bit. As that will be my next summer themed cocktail, the Long Island iced tea. And I can't wait to compare the two. And I can't wait to compare the two cocktails. Just to see the difference. See which one's the more. See which one is a more heavyweight cocktail. At the minute I say this is, certainly packs a punch. You'd certainly feel it. Because I wouldn't recommend downing this in one. And that, guys, is the ADIOS MF. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more summer themed cocktails like this. And I will see you guys in my Long Island iced tea video. Cheers.